Welcome back to another video, and today I am going to make homemade banana chips, and these two little man here is going to help me.
Hello, I am Johnny and this is
Jada.
And we are going to make
Banana chips.
Okay, so these banana I buy them from probably about 2 weeks ago, so probably that's why they don't look so without, but it doesn't really matter still. It's just the outside. So to make the banana chips, we already have the banana, which I already showed to you. So the salt, because we don't need much. So these are only the two ingredients, and you know the oil that is going to fry it. So when I am finished with my banana, these two little men is going to grade me. So you guys will know if they are fried good or not, because they know about cooking. Yeah, they're gifted like that. So I am going to oil my hand because I don't want the banana, to prevent the banana stain from sticking to my hand. I am going to rub some coconut oil on my hand. So I am going to mark my banana. This can be eaten like a little snacks. You can even look after it, bring it in a lunch bag, whichever way you choose to do it. So what do you boys think about the banana chips? How you think it's going to come out?
Good.
it's gonna come
You
out.
have to speak up, son. You cannot
Good.
talk so soft. You think it's going to come out good?
I think it's gonna come out big and salty.
So if it don't come out good, are you guys going to tell me the truth?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. I'm going to slice them like this. Can do them round.
You can do them however you can do them in whatever shape you want them to be.
You can do them in circle if you choose, whichever way. So you can do them like this.
So we can just do them how
And I
they
really
look
want to
like.
do it like that.
Right, Jaden?
Hmm?
You make them look like banana chips.
Yeah.
I'll take the one for
And take it when I'm finished. So I am going to add my salt to it. Don't want to put too much. So wait there. So this is the finished product. Here's the lemonade, and here's the fried banana. No, Sir Johnny, nah, sure good. Let me push. Let me come here so I see something. Yeah, this is way better. So go around there.
Right here.
So these little man here are going to taste it, and they are going to tell me how it tastes. So, Ajani first. Okay.
Still has a plantain taste to it, but crispy.
You have to speak a little louder.
It still has a plantain taste to it, but it's crispy.
Okay, it's supposed to be crispy.
It's good.
So do you like it?
Very good.
Okay, that's nice. There you go, Jaden.
Mm.
Thumbs up. I did good.
Yeah.
Okay, so give the juice a taste now.
Bendy straws.
Who drinks juice without bendy straws? Who drinks lemonade without bendy straws?
Jaden, get when I.
Dark. That's yours. And it do.
Pull up the glass a little closer.
Yeah.
No, to uno.
I love the juice.
You like the juice?
Much. It's the best.
No, Jaden, I taste, you know.
Get away from it.
So would you recommend someone to use iron to make their lemon? Okay, that is good.
I love it.
So
I like orange juice with lime.
the place is really at people. I am sweating. So we have come to the end of the video. I'm gonna come around and say because I'm a part of the video. We have come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And as you can see, they taste it and they like it, which is good. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will continue to stay with me and my YouTube journey. So finish up with Johnny. Finish up the video.
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Say peace out, Jaden.
Peace.